One simple piece of equipment can mean the difference between life and death on a construction site. This is why hard hats matter. Every year, thousands of workers are injured by falling objects, slips, or head impacts. Without a hard hat, even a small accident can be fatal. A hard hat absorbs impact and distributes the force. It can literally save your skull, just like in this simple demonstration. Real-life stories prove. From falling tools to unexpected slips, workers have walked away alive, because they wore their hard hats. Construction is dangerous when you're careless. Safety isn't optional. Always wear your hard hat.